Hello plastic model builders, this is the Pokemon Mewtwo. It's a Bandai model kit, ages 6+. We are doing a box break real quick and then we will build this so you see all the sides there and of course the front. Open this up, we will see all the glorious parts inside, nothing right there on the inside cover. We have one plastic bag with 4-part sprues and some stickers. And then, very simple, we have our instruction booklet. So here are the pages right here. Part 1, we have the face, a little bit of the body, more of the body, got our legs, right and left, and then our right arm, and then our left arm and the tail going together, and then the base. And then there it is, it's complete. Don't forget to put the port stickers on, which you see right here. And of course, we've got our parts A1, A2, B1, and B2. Those are the parts. So let's get to building. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, by the way. It's some model making madness. We're gonna make this look pretty. So we are putting the stickers on. We've got one eye done, and do the other eye. There's an up close that we can see. You can paint them if you like. The stickers make them look a little more realistic, I guess. You can do that too if you want. Put all the detail in there. 2 parts for the head. Goes together. Very easy. It's a tight fit. Just take them, squeeze them, just like that. They go together. All right. So once you have that together, we are going to build the body. So you have to put these stickers on first, right here. These go on the inside, and there's going to be one on the opposite side. We've got this little piece right goes here because we've got some articulation going on. And then we put this piece in, which goes all the way up the center of the body. Just like that, you see how it moves. So we've got that. Put on the other sticker for the other part, a little bit different than that one. You can paint these. This is not going to be seen in the model. Press the 2 halves together. Make sure that thing moves because it's supposed to move. You might want to wait to put those stickers on. Put on the chest piece. After you put the chest piece on, put on the back plate. Very simple. Goes on just like so. Take our head that we have for this creature, Mewtwo. We'll put that on in just a second. Put it on the front right there, his belly. Make sure everything moves. Mine didn't move, so I had to take it apart, make sure it moved. Put the head on. Then we've got this little umbilical cord thingy, whatever you want to call it, that will go on the back of his head and into his back. You see how the head just pops in there? It's awesome. Put this right here. Remember, we also have a Facebook page. Join that, Plastic Model Builder, and as well Facebook group. Same thing. This is a leg. I'm going to show you one leg, the other goes together the same way, 2 halves right there. Then you've got the lower leg, 1 half. Make sure you put it into the joints first, just like you see. Put the other half on. The toes, very simple, just pops right on. Put this into the body. You see it has a little thingy right there. Make sure it lines up so the legs can move back and forth. Simple. Yes. Here's the other leg, and boom, just like that, it's assembled and going on. Okay, so hope you watched that and didn't miss it. Remember, join us for our live chat as well. This is the arm, goes together. You've got 6 pieces for this. Once you have that, that's the lower arm, goes together with the upper arm, which is 2 pieces. Then you have the hand, squirrely looking thing. Kind of pop it right in there. See how it goes on the inside, and then put this on, and that is the hand, just like that. It's easy. Got a bunch of articulate parts there, and this will go, the right shoulder has a groove in it, and it needs to go right there. You see that groove, and this will move back and forth when you pull the tail. Yes, very nice. See, just like that. Make sure you don't move it too hard. Cute. And then this is the other arm. All we have to do now is put together our tail. It's got 4 pieces. That is the upper part of the tail. Snaps together. You build the lower part, goes together just like this. Very easy. You put the two pieces together and then stick the tail onto the body, and that will complete our Mewtwo. So basically, for a good review, you have your base, by the way. It's 3 pieces, goes together. This model has 39 parts, 4 stickers, 1 base, 15 points of articulation. You can stand it up by itself if you have the tail up, its arms positioned kind of upright and all the way forward. It is possible to do that. You see that clear base there. Usually just put it in the base. Its tail moves. You saw that articulation with the arms and the hands, just like that. Great model. Go out, get it. Very inexpensive. The kids will like it. Goes together easy. It stands rather tall, and you see it right here. So again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like, all that good stuff. And until next time, of course, as usual, see ya.